Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I thought today would be a great day to address some of the future build plans I have for this car, both exterior, interior, that's definitely it, and performance parts. I've got a lot planned, and I'm going to kind of give you a rundown of what I'm thinking, kind of the order in which I'm doing it, and then definitely I want some input from you guys for how I should customize my car. So before we get started, guys, as always, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like automotive content, especially WRX content, and especially going forward as it's the summer and I've got so much happening with the car. There's a lot to talk about. There's a lot to kind of figure out. And yeah, so let's go ahead. So my number one concern right now is in the next week I'm going to do a lot of preventative maintenance with the car, fix a couple scratches, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for the next couple days. I'll have other content coming out, so it's not all about that. And then quickly, I will be registering my car in Massachusetts. I know the tires need to be replaced, so the wheels and tires are going to be changed out. That's like the first thing that I want to do. I'm not really sure what I'm going to get. I don't want to spend a ton of money on wheels. Part of the build that I want to take you guys on, the journey I want to take you on, is kind of inexpensively modding your WRX, but doing it tastefully and reliably. So a lot of the things that I'm going to be doing is, you know, I'm taking a step back from a mechanical engineering standpoint, and I'm not just going to spend money on things that I don't think are going to work. I want to make sure products are actually doing what they're supposed to be doing, and they're going to be actually affecting the car the way it should be. That being said, a lot of the exterior stuff doesn't really matter. I think the biggest things for me are fitment, ease of use, and reliability. Reliability might not be the right word, but I think it does still apply. I want to see things that are both durable and reliable in the sense that they're going to stay in the car, they're not going to ruin the car, and there's going to be an ease of use to having them on my car. That being said, I hope to do the other things. I'm going to buy the wheels. I'm not sure what I'm going to get. I saw some MST wheels, looking at some Avid wheels. Avid 1. I really don't know. Probably some cheap wheels, nothing too fancy. I definitely want to go to 18-inch, have a decent offset, probably 9.5 wide. I want to get a decent stance. I want to decrease the wheel gap a little bit, but I really want to get the wheels to poke out a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy on the offset, but something more aggressive than the stock base wheels, because the base wheels are the same on the Limited for 2015, so they look terrible. For exterior mods, one of the things that I want to do pretty quickly is I want to get a wing on the car. Really interested in probably an STI wing, look kind of like the OEM look, but I'm really open. I want to find something that's relatively inexpensive. If I'm going to go with an STI, I'll probably go with an off-brand that makes an OEM or OLM solution and then get it paint matched. I'm not really sure, so we're going to kind of experiment and see what's out there. I want to do kind of like a full body kit. I'd love to do rear spats, side skirts, and I'd love to do a front lip. I really don't know what I'm going to go with there. Looking also for an inexpensive solution, but something with really good fitment. I'll probably test something out there so you guys can get a good idea of what's available for what type of price. I also want to do a plate relocation kit. I'm going to try something that isn't a big name brand, try to go for something cheaper to see if there's a solution that actually works and actually looks good. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely follow along with that. You know, it may not work, and then it's a great way for you guys to not buy a product, but I definitely want to test some products out and see what's out there and see if it works. So plate relocation, I want to do new badges. If you have any recommendation for the new rebadging, I want to go with the black with red stars and do the black and red on the sides as well. So if you have any brand suggestions, definitely drop them in the comments below. I'm definitely interested in exploring something, or you have a brand that you want to test that you're not sure whether you want to buy, definitely drop it in the comments below and I can be your test case. So that's probably it with the exterior. I might throw a vortex generator on if I can get one used. Same with rain guards. I mean, I've got mixed feelings about how I feel they look. I definitely want to do the hood at some point. I don't know how soon that's going to happen. Probably in the next couple months. I will be doing a window tint soon, so stay tuned for that. Hoping that's going to make a huge difference both practically and with looking. And there's a really good chance that I will be, sorry, I didn't mean to look over there, but there's a really good chance I'll be doing a wrap sometime soon. So there's a lot of exterior modifications that if you're interested in, look forward to this summer. I'm definitely going to get a lot of those things done. Interior wise, there's a lot that I want to do. I have the Limited model, but in 2015 a lot of the things weren't upgraded. I definitely want to get I want to change up some of the trims, do a little bit of the red pinstriping. The head unit's definitely going to get replaced with something that has Apple CarPlay or something like that, maybe one of the Android units. I definitely want to do some sound upgrades. Possibly change out the driver's seat. I really don't know. And that's probably it for the interior. I might get some lighting for underneath where your feet are. I'm really not sure. I'm going to explore some of that stuff. What's nice is I probably can reach out to some companies and test some products out, so I'll let you guys know what's happening with that. Oh, and for the exterior, I'm going to be doing all the lights as well. I want to do a lot of LED upgrades. I'm doing the fog light soon, so stay tuned. I know I keep saying stay tuned, but this is probably some of that's happening in the next couple weeks, some of it over the summer. It's happening relatively soon, so it should be interesting. And then performance-wise, there are a few things that I plan on doing. I definitely want to get an access port. I don't know if I'm going to go with an off-the-shelf or a Pro Tune yet. I don't know when that's going to happen. I'm probably going to commute with the car a little bit more, still get to know it so I understand the car more. Definitely get the access port and kind of like understand how the car runs by looking at a lot of the metrics and doing that for like a month, so I have a better understanding of the car and if something has a normal fluctuation. But yeah, that's the future build. What's really important with this video, and I know I've probably dragged this out a long way for most of you guys, but I'm really interested in things that you guys want me to put in my car, so I'm really open to whatever there is out there. I definitely want to build a car that's unique, that's kind of like stands out with all the WRXs. Like, I love seeing everyone out there and I love waving to everybody. I think that's a great thing with the community, but I also think it's really important to be unique with your car, and that's kind of like what I'm about in the car game. So that being said, if you have anything that you want to test on your WRX, you're not sure if it's going to look good, definitely drop it in the comments, shoot me a private message. I'd love to try it out my car. And I also I want to build a community where we can try to get group buys going. I don't know if that's going to happen super soon, but if I can get a product, if I can work with a company, try to get a product, I don't know if I can do that. I can't promise anything, but I'd love to somehow get you guys some access to products at a lower cost from somebody that knows it's really expensive to buy parts and I don't have a lot of income to play with. Cheap parts are always great, and I'm really looking to build a cheap alternative to most of these modifications. So I know Grimspeed and Perrin have great plate relocators, but are those name brands really better than some of the cheaper solutions? We're going to find out on this channel. So thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Comment below if you have any suggestions of what I should do, brand, anything. Would love to hear it. Thanks, guys.